Yeah, enjoy, man.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
So, what's up, guys? Actually, I'm shirtless because... Yo, we see you, man. So that's our swimming pool here. Because now we have to invent. Hello, my name is Marwa.
My name is Bo.
And what are we doing today, Bo?
We're gonna do tour.
Look at the camera,
How
man.
to say? Room tour.
Room tour. How much are we paying here, Bo?
$13 a night.
Yeah, and they give us what and what?
Breakfast.
Yes. And the room.
Ah.
So let's go. Beep, 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 boom. Oh my god. So we've been staying here for how long?
About 2 months.
2 months now. Actually, we are thinking of should I open this? Yeah, I should open it. So we are thinking of actually... Okay, let's first do the room tour. So you can explain, ma'am.
We have double bed.
Yes.
Big bed. And
What?
television.
Television?
Which we have never.
Never used. Actually, we should try it.
So,
Do we even have the remote of this television?
no, we don't have.
Yeah, it's right there.
It's touchscreen.
I don't know, ma'am. How? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, at least it's functioning. Oh, you touched somewhere and it started...
Oh, it's
Yeah.
have the bottle here.
Okay.
What?
What happened?
I turned it off.
Okay. Let's see if they... So, that's our television. We are not sure why it's not functioning. Maybe we need to change. How do we change? Yeah, right there. Keep pressing. Okay, let's go to other side of the room. Turn it off. Wow. Uh-huh.
We have one table, which is very dirty now.
Yeah, we have one table.
This is my room.
Office.
Just like office. Your first here, or maybe outside.
So I sometimes work from here.
And sometimes you work from there.
And actually right now I'm working from there.
This means you have 3 offices now.
Why you should explain why sometimes I work from here and I work from here.
But from here.
Yes.
During the night.
During the night, yes, or early in the morning.
Very early
In the morning, yeah.
So after like 9
a.m.
a.m.
Yeah.
We move here because of the air.
Yeah, fresh air coming
Fresh
from that
air
side.
From the morning.
Yeah.
And after 1 p.m. it's
Yeah.
getting too hot to stay here because the sun is shining and
Yeah.
also the air. So we move there.
There the air. Here now it gets too hot that we can't actually handle it. And then we move to that place.
Yes.
Okay. More room tour. Whoa.
So you want me to do
Yeah. Here we have the AC, right?
Yes, the AC. Small
It's-
AC, but it's very strong.
Yeah, it's very strong actually. You can open it maybe to...
This is too loud.
Yeah, just open.
We have like low fan, low air conditioner,
Yeah.
high fan, high air conditioner. So we have 4 functions to use.
Yes.
Okay. This
Wow.
air conditioner we turn it on for the night.
Yeah, for the night. Because it gets really hot. Okay. And here we have all our messy stuff
Now I put off our clothes.
right here
Yes. So
Yeah.
it's very easy to take.
to take. Yeah.
Now it's some mess up. Just leave it.
Uh-huh.
Next use we have private bathroom
Private bathroom. So this room has a private bathroom.
with how to say
Hot shower.
hot shower.
So this is how you turn it on. And I don't want that water to pour on the camera so you can see. Okay. And also, this is how it looks like. And you see the water is running. Very good. And also you have this. In many countries, people don't have this. I've only seen it in Asia. Yeah, I've been to like 5 continents.
The name of this we call bided.
Pirate?
Bided.
Bided. I have no idea. So this
It's used for cream.
For mostly.
After pee.
Yeah.
After use the.
So when you finish the pee, you do like shoo, and whoa. Yeah. Actually, you know, in most Muslim countries, they don't use tissue paper. So I think this can really work in their home. Because like in my home, people go in the bathroom with a cup of water.
Oh.
Yeah, that's how they no tissue. So I think this is more hygienic. Okay.
This is our
Vaseline.
Vaseline.
Yeah.
We use this for skin.
Yeah, soft skin. You can tell from my skin, very soft. And this is our sanitizer. We bought this. Okay, what else, Bo? That's all about the room tour. And we are paying here $13. But you can explain about the kitchen. What happens?
Yes.
We don't have to go, but we can explain.
From here?
Yeah. So they give us the kitchen, which is right there. This right there. It used to be a hotel.
Yes.
But now it used to be a restaurant. But now
To be the restaurant.
now they just gave us. We can use it. So we bought our own gas and we always cook. I hope you guys have seen our cooking videos. So there's no need of us going there and showing you. But if you are new to this channel, check our cooking, any of our cooking videos. What? Something jumping here? You see?
And this room,
Yeah.
we have like very special bird.
Oh yeah.
Many times. The
When
bird-
you see those small birds, these ones running there, I don't know if you can see them. They sometimes visit us here,
Yes.
at least 2 times a day. Yeah, it comes. And that's the ocean right here. If you're watching this, maybe you've never seen this part. This is the ocean right there. So because of the situation happening here, we can't do anything. We can go to the ocean nowadays, but we can't swim, right? Yeah, we can't swim, but we can go to the ocean and
Walk and chill.
yeah,
Relax ourselves.
yeah. And that swimming pool, it's not our swimming pool. They always create it just for the baby. And you see today the baby brought a friend. Yeah. Hey, hello. Yeah, we're in the Philippines. So the boy jumping into, he lives here. Whoa, he's really struggling. Boom. That's the mom. Okay, so this is our nice room. To be very honest, this place before the pandemic, it was expensive. It was how many dollars? Like 30.
Yes.
Because the first day I remember this guy told us to pay like 800, and actually those days things already were like already bad. So I think we shall have to confirm the price, but the price was way expensive than this. But now we are paying $13 a night here, which per month is 390 times 30, 390. Actually, you realize when it's 31 days, we pay $400. So technically, we are paying $400 or $390 depending on the month. Yeah. So yeah, that's all we wanted to show you. But one thing we love about this place is we have the AC. What else do you love? Hot shower.
Internet.
We have also good internet. Actually, we can't really complain.
Yes.
Yeah, the internet is really good here, and we've
Also,
been.
Hospitality.
Hospitality. Hospitality.
Yes.
Yeah.
From the
Our
staff,
staff, yeah. And every morning we wake up and go down there to have breakfast,
yes.
which is also very good. So I think $13 plus breakfast in that is really good, you know. And also it's very close to the beach. What
Very,
don't
very close to
the market
too.
also.
That's the point.
Yeah. I always go to buy stuff. We've been showing you, like, now we have these papayas here. You see, we have fruits, mangoes. And actually, this right now, it's finishing up. Tomorrow we are going to buy new ones. So let's say, for 2 months, what don't you like about this place?
No swimming pool.
Yeah, I feel the same. No swimming pool. And I'll say also, this room gets really hot.
Yes.
But I don't think that should be a problem because you can close the door and turn on the AC.
Yes.
But we always feel like that's kind of extravagant, you know. It's like expensive for them if we always turn on the AC, and so we only turn it on when we are sleeping.
Yes.
What else, ma'am? But in the future, maybe if we get another place, we shall compare it. But for sure, one thing I love about this place is the freedom. We feel more like home. We don't feel like
We stuck.
we are stuck. We always move around, go there, do our stuff, play our music. You know, kids come here, they bring to us chocolate and stuff. Yeah, guys, let's think what you think about this place. If it's really worthy, $13, $13 a night, and yeah, that's all for today. You have something? Hey, what, ma'am?
Free water. Drink water.
Oh yeah, they give us free water, man. You know, you guys might think it's a joke, but this place is where many people, they buy water. Many people, if they want like nice water to drink, they come and buy it from this place. And for us who stay here, we don't have to buy the water.
Yes.
And you guys may think it's a joke. This 1.5, this is a Sprite bottle. Let me show you. This Sprite bottle.
The water here
Yeah.
is very expensive.
Yeah, you see this 1.5. This is Sprite, but I mean, 1 liter and a half of this is $1. Remember, you used to buy 50, right there.
Yes.
50
Yes.
pesos, so it's $1. And we used to buy like maybe 4 or 5
A day.
a day, 4 or 5 of these. So we used to spend $5 a day. That is, wow. Now these guys are saving us, and we drink a lot. How many do we drink of this? How many bottles do we drink in one day?
Maybe 4.
No, I think even 5 or 6.
Oh.
Alone, I am very sure at least a day I drink 4 or 5 alone on myself. You might think it's a joke, but it's true. So this place is called Mando Mango.
Yes. Mando Mango Inn.
Mando Mango Inn in El Nido, Palawan. Actually, guys,
And the Colon Beach.
Colon Beach, yeah, Colon Beach. This is the Colon Beach, and that is Mando Mango. Let me see. Like, this is the sign. So, you see that? Yeah, the boys are really happy. Yeah, I think, and I have to be very specific, we were not paid to do this video. We just wanted to show you this place. And it's really nice from outside. Look how it looks like. You see? That's how it looks like. Very, very, very nice. And also the neighbors are nice. We've never had problems like, you know, people complaining or creating some chaos. And the beach is right here. You just walk. Except this one neighbor. He closes the gate to the beach. So we have to go around.
So nobody who just stay alive here
Can go through that gate.
Actually, we have like many. That's one also hotel.
Yeah, everything you see here, it's hotel. Everything you see. Please, neighbor, if you're watching this, ensure you open the gate at least, you know, for us. Okay, say bye-bye, bro.
bye. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, please give the video a like. Let's see if we can get that 1,000 likes, man, just to support us. Share this video to support us. We've been here. We have new plans, but let's see. It's supposed to be like tomorrow. The quarantine is supposed to end. We are not sure. Hey, those kids. Yeah. Hey, bye-bye. Bye.